Denver, Colorado is a fun city. It has mountains that offer breathtaking views and endless outdoor activities. From hiking trails to ski resorts, the mountains are a playground for adventure seekers. It has a cool downtown with vibrant streets filled with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. The energy here is contagious, making it a great place to explore, and it has Hammond's Candies, a beloved local institution that has been making sweet treats since 1920. Hammond's Candies is a factory where the magic happens. They make candy there, and it's a fascinating process to watch. You can visit the factory and take a guided tour. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages. You can see how they make candy, from mixing ingredients to shaping and packaging the final product. The craftsmanship is impressive. Hammonds makes lots of candy. They make lollipops, candy canes, ribbon candy, and even chocolate. Each type of candy is made with care and attention to detail. You can watch them make all of these treats. It is very exciting to see the candy come to life right before your eyes. The joy and wonder on the faces of visitors, both young and old, is truly heartwarming. Hammonds is near downtown Denver. It is easy to get to. They have tours every day. The tours start every hour. You do need to buy a ticket. You should buy your ticket online. The tours take about an hour. You will see the whole factory. You will learn about candy making. You will even get to try some candy. The tour starts in a big room. There are big windows. You can see the factory. You can see the workers. They are making candy. First, you see them make the candy. They use big machines. The machines are very loud. Then they pour the candy. They pour it into molds. The molds make the shapes. They have molds for everything. They have stars. They have circles. They even have dinosaurs. Section 4. A Century of Candy Making. This chapter delves into the rich history of a beloved candy company that has been delighting taste buds for over 100 years. Hammonds is an old company with a storied past. It has been a cornerstone in the candy-making industry for generations. It started in 1920, during a time when candy was a rare treat and craftsmanship was key. They made candy for a long time, perfecting their recipes and techniques over the decades. They are famous for their candy canes, which have become a symbol of holiday cheer and tradition. They make lots of candy canes, each one crafted with care and precision. They make them for Christmas, bringing joy to countless families during the festive season. They make them all year long, ensuring that the sweet taste of Hammond's candy canes is available no matter the season. The tour guide will tell you about the history, sharing fascinating stories and insights about the company's journey. You will learn about the founders, the visionaries who started it all, and their dedication to quality and innovation. You will learn about the factory, from its humble beginnings to its modern-day operations. You will learn about the candy, the diverse range of sweets that Hammonds produces, each with its own unique story and flavor. Section 5. Sweet memories to take home. This is where the magic of your visit culminates in a delightful experience. At the end of the tour, you go to the gift shop. It's a vibrant place filled with the sweet aroma of freshly made candies. They have lots of candy. Shelves are stocked with a rainbow of treats, from classic favorites to unique creations. You can buy all your favorites. They have lollipops. They have candy canes. They have everything. Whether you crave something fruity, minty, or chocolatey, there's something for everyone. You also get a free sample. The staff is generous and eager to share their delicious creations. It is a piece of candy. It is delicious. The joy on people's faces as they taste the samples is truly heartwarming. The tour is a lot of fun. It's educational and entertaining, perfect for families and candy enthusiasts alike. You should visit Hammond's Candies. It's not just a tour, it's an experience that leaves you with sweet memories. It is a sweet adventure. From the moment you step in to the time you leave with bags full of treats, it's a journey worth taking.